Hello everyone. So we are in the final week of the video training session, and here again we will be focusing on inner and outer part. But yes, the exercises again, the workout is again modified by all of us, and Smitesh sir has really done a better job of recording all the videos. Yes, there is some limitation of space, yet instead he has done his best for doing all the stuff, for making all the stuff. So I request each and every one of you to watch the exercises carefully in the videos and then perform it. uh, Whatever it is given, try to imitate it correctly, because that is the correct way of doing any kind of ball mastery skills, using your inner and outer part. Because I've seen few videos where I am able to recognize that I'm been able to recognize that few of you have not been on the line, not doing it correct. So yes, definitely you can watch the videos before you can start. But I think once you watch it every day, I don't think so it will be a big trouble for you. You can do it very efficiently, because uh, the recording has been very clear, and the skills or the exercises that you have to learn have been performed very clearly. So I again request you to follow uh, the time as well as the repetitions, because yes, there are few of them who are not doing the repetitions for the mentioned number of times. So if it is told that you have to work out for 1 minute and for 5 repetitions, yes, that does mean, because uh, I think it is required that much, that you should be working out for that many times, so that in these days you can at least be above the say above the level of 0. So in this, doing this, you will be able to easily perform all the exercises in the restricted area that you have at home. But yes, definitely, as I had a word with my teammates, we are playing football, so football cannot be played with a slow speed. So if it is comfortable for you, you should be going it with a good speed while doing your exercises. As we know, while playing football, we see the matches. While playing football, there is a drastic speed, high intensity. So again, I request you all to do the exercises with some speed, so that you are in a habit for doing high intensity activities or speedy activities, so that once we are back on the ground, we can always be on the same level where we left. I hope you will be doing it, and again I say, stay safe, work out hard, and play football. Thank you.
Hello everyone. From today we are doing our new exercise. So our first exercise is in step pass. For this you have to stand straight and you have to touch with your inner part of the right foot and stop with the lace part of the same foot, and again drag back to the original position and do the same. I'll show you a stepwise exercise. In step stop, 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 in step stop. Now with the left foot, in step stop, 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 in step stop. Hope you understand this exercise. This exercise you have to do for at least 1 minute and 5 repetitions. So you will do with the right leg for 5 minutes and left leg for 5 minutes. Thank you. Now we are doing our second exercise, out step pass. It is similar like in step pass, but instead of using inner part, you have to use your outer part. I'll show you a demo. So out step stop, 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 out step stop. Now use your left leg out step, stop, 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 out step, stop. This exercise you have to do for 5 minutes, and you have to do for 1 minute and 5 repetitions. And one thing, if you have any difficulties to do vertically out step pass, so you can do horizontally also. You have to stand sideways and pass the ball sideways like this. Out step pass, out step stop, out step stop, out step stop, out step stop, out step stop. And now with the left leg, out step stop, 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 out step stop. So my personal opinion is, do it vertically, means you have to stand straight and your ball goes forward and come back to the original position. Thank you. Hello, now we are doing our third exercise, in step cut. So this exercise is little bit different, so I'll show you in a stepwise section for this. So first step is you have to keep the ball at the left side in the 45 degree. Then the second step is you have to take a ball with the right leg and drag to the right side. This is the second step. Then third step is you have to bend in a body and cut the ball immediately to the left foot. So I'll show you in a little bit more speed. So this is the first, second, third. So basically you have to control after the in-step cut. So I'll show you again. 1, 2, stop. Again I'll show you. 1, 2, 3. So basically we do this exercise for the fooled defender. Imagine there is a defender and ball at the left side of our foot. We take the ball to the right, so defender thinks we will go to this side, but immediately we cut the ball with the inner foot and change our direction to the left side. So now I'll do a final demo so you can understand betterly. Start. Again. Hold. Again. Again. Now with the left leg, similarly, you have to keep your ball at the right side and drag with the left leg and immediately cut with the inner side of the left leg, like this. Sorry. So basically this exercise you have to do for 2 minutes continuously. So you will do for 2 minutes with the right leg and 2 minutes with the left leg and minimum 5 repetitions. Now we are doing our fourth exercise, out step cut. For this you have to keep your ball to the left side and you have to drag the ball with the right leg and immediately change the direction with the outer part of the right leg, like this. Then stop with the left, then again drag the ball with the left and use your outer part of the left leg and change the direction. Stop with the right leg. Now I'll show you in a quick speed. Basically this exercise you have to do for 1 minute and 5 repetitions. Thank you. Hello, Now we are doing our fifth exercise, instep rollover and instep cut. For this, you have to roll over with the right foot and immediately you have to cut the ball with the inner step to fool the defender, like this. Roll over and immediately change your direction. But right now I lost the ball after the instep cut, so keep in mind that you have to control the ball with the left foot after the instep cut, like this. Gotcha? Inner step, stop. I'll show you again. Roll over again and stop. Stop. Now we will do with the left leg. Similarly, we have to roll over the ball with the left leg and cut immediately with the left foot inner part, and stop with the right leg. Now I'll show you a quick demo with the both legs. Start. This exercise. Now we are doing our sixth exercise, roll over and outstep cut. For this, you have to roll over with the right leg and immediately change the direction with the outer foot of the right leg. I'll show you a demo. Roll over, outstep. Stop the ball with the right leg. Similarly, you have to do with the left leg. Roll over with the left leg and cut the ball with the outer foot of the left leg. Now I'll show you a quick demo with the both legs. We'll start with the right. Roll over, stop the ball with the right. Now with the left leg. Sorry. Hello, now we are doing our seventh exercise, carry feint and instep cut. For this, you have to carry a ball with the right leg, then you have to feint at the right side and change the direction with the inside foot of the right leg, like this. Feint, change the direction and stop the ball. Change the direction and stop the ball. Now do with the left leg. Carry, change the direction, stop the ball. Carry, feint, inside, carry, stop the ball. Now I'll show you in a regular speed. Carry, feint, change the direction. Carry, change direction, stop the ball. Now with the left leg. Carry, feint, change the direction, stop the ball. So basically this exercise you have to do for 1 minute, so and 5 repetition. So you will do with the right leg for 5 minutes and left leg with the 5 minutes. Thank you. And now we are doing our eighth exercise, carry feint and outer step cut. So in this exercise you have to carry the ball with the right leg, feint to the right side and immediately change the direction with the outer side of the left foot. I'll show you a demo. So first you have to carry a ball, feint to the right side and immediately change the direction with the left foot of the outer part, like this, and stop the ball with the left foot. This direction and stop the ball. Again, change direction and stop the ball. Similarly, you have to do with the left leg. You have to carry with the left leg, feint to the left side and change the direction with the outer part of the right foot and stop with the right leg. Stop. Now I'll show you a quick demo with the both legs. First we start with the right, feint and stop with the left. Feint, stop with the left. Now left and stop with the right. So you have to perform this exercise for 1 minute and 5 repetitions. So you will do with the right leg for 5 times and left leg for 5 times. Thank you. Now we are doing our last exercise: in step, out step, drag back and stop. In this exercise you have to use your in step, out step and drag back with the sole part and stop the ball. So you have to perform this exercise continuously, like this. First you have to take in step, then out step, then drag back and change the direction with the ball. Again change your leg, like use your left leg, in step, out step and drag back and change your direction with the ball. Now I'll show you in a regular speed. Now start with the right, in step, out step, drag back, change the direction, in step, out step, drag back, in step, out step, change direction, in step, out step, change the direction, in step, out step, change the direction with the ball. Understood? So I'll show you a quick demo. Basically this exercise you have to do for 1 minute and 5 repetitions. Thank you.